The number of ski resorts Y in a country has declined and can be approximated by the equation y equals negative 3.21x plus 503, with x corresponding to the year 2002. In what years was the number of ski resorts between, not including, 480 and 470? Okay, so if this equation represents the ski resorts in a given year, then we can create ourselves an inequality. And we want to know when was the number of ski resorts between 470 and 480. Okay, so we can put, this represents the number of ski resorts. We can put this in between 470 and 480, not including, it says. So we're just going to use a regular less than and less than. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this. We're going to subtract, our goal is to get x in the middle. So we're going to subtract 503 from both sides. So 470 minus 503 is negative 33. Okay, and 480 minus 503 is negative 23. Okay, and now we can divide every part by negative 3.21. So negative 33 divided by negative 3.21 is, let's see, 10.3-ish. Okay, this is rounded. And then x in the middle, and then negative 23 divided by negative 3.21 is 7.2-ish, okay? And remember, as soon as we divide by a negative number, we have to switch around the signs, okay? So we're going to switch these around, and now we will have greater than, greater than. So this means that x is somewhere between 7.2 and 10.3. And so if 2 corresponds to 2002, then 7 would correspond to 2007 and 2010. So let's go ahead and type that in. 2007 and 2010. All right, great. Let's go on now to number 9. Okay. The cost to produce X units of wire is C equals 45X plus 450, while the revenue is R equals 70X. Find the interval units of production where wire production is at least break even. Okay, at least means greater than or equal to. Okay, at least break even. So greater than or equal to. So we want the revenue, the amount of money coming in, to be at least, to be greater than or equal to the cost, the money going out. So we will say 70X, that's the money coming in, the revenue, has to be greater than or equal to 45X plus 450. Okay, we don't want to be losing money on this endeavor. All right, and we can solve this normally, okay, the same way we would solve a normal equation, except watching out for multiplying and dividing by negatives. Okay, so we are first going to subtract 45x from both sides. 25x is greater than or equal to 450. Okay, divide both sides by 25. 450 divided by 25. X is greater than or equal to 18. Okay. If x is greater than or equal to 18, how would we graph that on a number line? Okay, let's say this is 0, and let's say this is 18. X is bigger than 18, so we're going to go this way. So including this point and graph it this way. And so how would we write this in interval notation? We would write it as including 18 all the way up to positive infinity. So that would be choice D. Great.